Migrating to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to have a Google Analytics account and be using the Universal Analytics property. Next, you need to enable Enhanced E-commerce in your Google Analytics account by going to the Admin section, selecting the view you want to enable it for, and clicking on E-commerce settings under the View column. Then, you need to set up your e-commerce data by selecting the Enable E-commerce option and setting your currency. After that, you need to track your e-commerce data using the Google Analytics tracking code. You can use the Google Tag Manager to make it easier to manage your tracking codes. To track your e-commerce data, you need to send the required e-commerce data to Google Analytics using the EC Set Action and EC Send commands. For example, to track a transaction, you would use the EC Set Action command with the transaction action and send the transaction data using the EC Send command. It is also important to track other e-commerce events such as product views, add to cart, and checkout steps. By tracking these events, you can get a better understanding of your customers' behavior and optimize your e-commerce site for better performance. Best practices for migrating to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce include testing your tracking codes to make sure they are working correctly, using the Google Analytics debugger to debug any issues, and monitoring your e-commerce data to make sure it is accurate and consistent. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully migrate to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce and start tracking your e-commerce data to optimize your e-commerce site for better performance. Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce provides a lot of benefits such as providing detailed insights into customer behavior, allowing you to track the entire customer journey, and enabling you to make data-driven decisions to optimize your e-commerce site. Overall, migrating to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce is a simple and straightforward process that can provide a lot of value to e-commerce sites. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can successfully migrate to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce and start tracking your e-commerce data to optimize your e-commerce site for better performance.